Hello, how are you? Welcome to this new video. Today we will see how to fix the sound error that does not work in Palworld. So first of all we go to the Windows search engine and we look for Control Panel. We go to where it says Hardware and Sound. Now the sound. And a window like this will appear. Then they search for their speakers and they give them in set default. They give it a set default. Now, if that does not work, you must right-click, Properties, go to the Levels section. And here you must raise the volume to 99 or 90 or 100, depending on how you like it. If this does not work either, we go to Advanced, and we remove this option, and we give it Apply and OK. Now, if this does not work either, we do the following. We go to Spatial, Sound, and we activate it. We give it Windows Sonic, we activate it, and we give it Apply and OK. I do not do it because I already have it fixed. Now, that was the first method. If this method does not work, we go to the second method. The second method is the following. We go to Device Manager. And we search for audio. We search for audio. We search for audio. And when we are in audio, we select the same device that we have connected. For example, in this part of here, Audio Inputs and Outputs, we click, and we look for the audio that we have connected. And we look for the audio that we have selected, the audio device. So in my case it is HDMI. So I right-click. Update driver. And we give it search automatically for drivers. We give it a click there. And drivers will be installed for your device. Now, if this did not work, we go back, and we go to Browse My Computer for drivers. We give it a click, and we give it Let me pick from a list of available drivers of my computer. We give it a click. We give it a click in Audio Endpoint. And we give it in Next. I do not do it because I already have it. This was the second method. Now the third method. We go in the same way to Device Manager. And now what we are looking for are display drivers. We select our graphic card. We give it Update Driver. Search automatically. We give it a click. And drivers will be installed. And now we go to the application of our graphic card. If it is NVIDIA, we must download the NVIDIA application. And if it is AMD, we must download the AMD application. The same if it is for Intel. Then, we enter our application of our graphic card, of the board of our graphic card. We go to Drivers. And we install the drivers that appear. And the problem of the sound has already been solved. The only thing you have to do is restart the computer and try if it already worked. Video with pleasure. Greetings to all. Subscribe and like if it was helpful. And goodbye.